Hey everyone, tomorrow's study island is a little bit of a hodgepodge of miscellaneous stuff we've learned all year, but the one thing on there I wanted to show you in a video that we have not talked about a lot and that we are going to talk about next week are histograms. So if I have a frequency table here, and my question was, how many movies do you see in a month? And I have a range. Another word for range right here is an interval of 1 to 5 movies, 9 people said, 6 to 10 movies, 7 people said, 11 to 15 movies, 2 people said, and 16 and more movies in a month, 4 people said. And if I put this in a bar graph, but at the x-axis, instead of single numbers, I have a range here. Number of movies, number of people, okay? And usually in a histogram, the bars are touching. So here's some questions. How many people were surveyed? So how would you figure this out? Well, if you take 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4, you get the total of 22 people. How many people saw 8 movies? Here's where this gets tricky. If you look at the histogram here, how many people saw 8 movies? And some people would say 7 people, but we don't know. There is no solution to this because 7 people saw 6 to 10. That could have been all 6, could have been all 10, could have been a couple of each number. We just don't know what that is, so there is no solution to that question. And then finally, the last question I have as an example is how many people saw 11 or more? We can figure this out because the question asks for a range. If you look at the histogram, 2 people saw 11 through 15, 4 people saw 16 or more movies, so that means then that 6 people saw 11 or more. This should help you a great deal with a few questions on the study island. Thank you.